Hey guys, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. So in this video we have Star Wars Rogue One 3D glasses. So these glasses are from the theater, so when you go watch the movie you get these glasses, and now that the movie is done airing, these are pretty rare. So yeah, I'm excited to open this up and see how it looks. Yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, that looks nice, as you guys can see. The plastic, yeah, they're really cheap, but yeah, they're not bad. So yeah, as you guys can see, it says here Star Wars Rogue One, and here it says Real 3D. Has some details over there and all that stuff. It's pretty cool. So yeah, as you guys can see, it's pretty cool. Let's try wearing this. So here's me wearing them. They look kind of weird. My eyes are hurting because I usually wear glasses, and these are 3D glasses, so I can't even see my screen now. But yeah, they do look pretty cool. I wouldn't recommend going out in these, but yeah, they look pretty cool. So yeah, guys, that wraps up for this short video. And yeah, until next time, peace out. Dun, dun, dun.